Today we're putting two of the absolute heavyweights in the robot vacuum world up against one another. We'll be taking a look at both the incredibly popular Dreame X60 Ultra and the brand new AI-powered Narwal Flow 2. Both of these bots promise a completely hands-free cleaning experience, but they take very different approaches to get your floors spotless. Huge shout out to Narwal for sponsoring today's video, but as always, we're going to dive deep into the specs, the features, and the real-world performance so you can see exactly how these compare. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with what I think is the most important feature here, and that's the mopping. The Dreame X60 Ultra uses traditional dual spinning mop pads. It does a great job, but it has to return to its base station every 15 to 20 minutes to clean those pads, otherwise it risks spreading the mess around. The Narwal Flow 2 takes a completely different approach with its Flow Wash self-cleaning track mop. Because of the track design, it gives you significantly more cleaning surface area than a standard roller or spinning pad, but here's the kicker, it constantly cleans the mop while it cleans your floors. The Dreame does use hot water to clean its mop pads at the base station, and those pads retain heat for about a minute after leaving the dock, but the Flow 2 actually uses 140°F hot water during the floor mopping process itself. And this means the Flow 2 can easily break down and dissolve greasy, sticky stains like butter or sugary stains like jelly right on the spot without dragging it across the room. Next up, let's talk about vacuuming. Both of these robots boast incredible suction power, easily handling large debris like cereal and coffee beans. The Dreame X60 Ultra reaches a massive 35,000 pascals of suction, and on paper, it definitely takes the crown for raw power, pulling up everything from large crumbs to fine dust. The Narwal Flow 2 tops out at 31,000 pascals, but Narwal engineered a really clever design to improve actual suction power. It features a retractable pressure plate that physically drops down when it detects carpet. This increases the actual sealed suction power directly on the surface, making it incredibly effective at pulling up small stubborn particles like sand and coffee grounds from deep within carpet fibers. You can actually see the difference that it makes when cleaning up coffee grounds on my rug. If a robot vacuum gets stuck constantly, it's not truly hands-free. The Dreame X60 Ultra features millimeter precision obstacle avoidance and can recognize over 280 different objects to steer clear of trouble. But Narwal's taking things a step further with the NarMind Pro system. The Flow 2 is equipped with an autonomous level VLM brain and dual HD cameras. This isn't just basic object detection, it's human level vision and AI decision making. It's got unlimited object detection capabilities, seamlessly dodging keys, sunglasses, and pesky charging cords. It will even notify your phone if it spots an important item that you may have dropped or left behind, like a cell phone or a wallet. Next up, we'll talk about the design. Nobody wants to be left with dusty areas under their furniture. And the Narwal Flow 2 comes in at a very slim 3.7 inches thin, allowing it to easily slip under most beds and couches. The Dreame X60 Ultra gets even lower with an ultra slim 3.13 inch profile. To achieve this, Dreame uses a VersaLift LiDAR system that physically retracts the top turret into the robot's body to squeeze into the tightest spots. Both do a fantastic job of reaching those hard-to-clean areas. Finally, we'll talk about the command centers. Both feature all-in-one, completely hands-free docks. They both auto-empty the dustbin, refill the onboard detergent, wash the mops with hot water, and dry them with hot air to prevent odors. I personally prefer the industrial design of the Flow 2 base station. It features a sleek ambient light bar on the front that indicates the robot's current status. The light's functional, and I personally just think it looks cool. Additionally, the Flow 2 robot features a built-in dirty water tank self-cleaning system that actually agitates the water to flush everything out. This completely avoids the gross sludge, buildup, and mildew that can happen with other models. Both of these robots are absolute top-tier choices. If you want raw chart-topping suction numbers and an ultra-low profile, the Dreame X60 Ultra is a beast. But if you want a robot that acts more like a true AI companion with superior, constantly clean 140-degree mopping and zero maintenance headaches, the Narwal Flow 2 is an incredible innovation. Be sure to check the links in the description to find out more about both of these vacuum cleaners and to take advantage of Prime Day deals with the Narwal Flow 2. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.